Hey friends, if you wish to log into ChatGPT, then here's what you can do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and then click on Chrome or any browser that you wish to log in, and then search for ChatGPT and hit enter. Now go to the ChatGPT website and then click on login. You also have this option at the top right corner, although it pops up. Now you can log in using an email address if you created it earlier, or you can log in with your phone number, or the best three ways are to log in with your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. I will try it with my Google account. So I'll click on this one and then I will simply select this option here and then log into it. Okay, this is how easy it is. And then I'll continue. And now I am inside it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.